all my beautiful people on YouTube. We're headed to a bike meet right now. It said that it's gonna rain later on, so we're trying to get there on time before some rain hits us. But it does look pretty cloudy, as you guys can see. They're actually meeting up at a gas station, so it's perfect. We're in the GSXR1000, as you guys can see, 2022. This thing is a spaceship. I don't know anybody here at this meet, so we'll see how it goes. Put some gas real quick. We got a couple bikes over there on this side. I think we're pretty early, I guess. There's not too many people here. Nice. We got an SP model. All right, we're at the meetup spot right now. Here's the GSXR1000. Dude, it looks so colorful right now in the day. What's up, guys? What's up, bro? Nice to meet you, bro. What's up, man? What's up, bro? Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you guys. Nice bikes, by the way. Nice to meet you, brother. They said it was gonna rain, huh? That's what they said. Let's see what happens. What's up, guys? What's up, bro? Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you guys. Nice, nice. SP model. Looks nice. I like these bikes, bro. I had a couple R6s too, man. Yeah, bro. Beautiful bikes. I have a Triumph 675R. I love these bikes. They're fucking sound loud. I hear a couple naked bikes coming. We got Aprilia RS4, the Triumph. Yes, sir. It's crazy that the Aprilias have the stock mufflers, but they still sound pretty aggressive. They still sound pretty loud. More bikes pulling up. Let's see. Oh, it's a CX10. Blacked out. R6. CBR 600. Alright, let's do a little walk around again. These guys are pumping gas before they take off. Yeah, that looks so hard. The RSV4, even the guys are checking it out. It's got a sick ass slingshot. GSXR, beautiful color. Another RS4. Oh man, it looks like it's starting to sprinkle, literally about to take off. Everybody's literally getting ready. And those are the S1000s that are revving it like that. Oh, it's starting to rain. No way, it's starting to rain. Looks like it's just sprinkling though. Sheesh. Alright guys, haven't really been talking much because I've been focused on riding. Oh, this is a crazy. Honestly, I am completely lost. I have no idea where I'm going. Oh my god. I have no idea where these guys are going. What the? The lady saw a bunch of bikes. They're tripping out. Like, what is going on? This is a cool spot though. I've never been here before. Hey, you made it though. I made it. And so the CX10 is sitting pretty over here. Look how nice it looks next to the view. You can see overlooking Beverly Hills over there. All those Beverly Hills buildings. Santa Monica on the left side. I love the CX10. It's actually a really nice looking bike, but I like it in the blacked out model, which is this one. It looks super aggressive. The rear end, I don't like it so much, but the front end on the CX10 is so aggressive. Look at that. And there's another guy over there taking pictures of a CBR1000, which they coming out pretty cool. It looks a little slippery. I guess it's where the water passes by. We're just taking some pictures. You got it, you got it. We made it, finally. Dude, this CX14 is insane. He's got the cats on. He's got the cats on, but he took out the muffler. Sounds pretty good. Not bad. Alright, we're gonna record these guys taking off. They're already getting on their bikes, putting on their helmets. We're gonna stand somewhere over here so we could just see them fly by here. That is the S1000 RR that you guys could hear. One guy left over there. He's having trouble. Alright guys, it seems like I'm about to take off already. We got to, oh damn, it's picking up a B right there. Oh, what the, I don't know what he's doing. But it looks like I'm gonna take off already. We got to the end location. I think these guys are still gonna go somewhere else, but we're gonna head home already. It's getting late, so, and I think it might be raining back at home, so I don't know how it's gonna be.